In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit in CapCut on computer, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. CapCut is one of the easiest video editors to use on PC, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to start a project, import your media, edit your clips, add effects, and export your finished video with the right settings. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your computer. Once the app loads, you'll see the main home screen. From here, look for the New Project button and click it. This will open a fresh editing workspace where you can begin building your video from scratch. Now that your project is open, it's time to bring in your files. Click the Import area and add the videos, photos, or audio files you want to use. You can select one file or multiple files at once, depending on how much content you're editing. After your media is imported, you'll see it appear in your media library ready to be used in the project. Next, start building your video by dragging your clips onto the timeline. The timeline is where all your editing happens, and this is where you arrange everything in the correct order. You can drag videos, images, and audio down into the timeline and line them up however you want. If you want to change the order, just click and drag the clips into a different position. Once your footage is in place, you can begin trimming, splitting, and rearranging clips. If a clip is too long, move your cursor to the edge of the clip and trim it shorter. If you want to cut a clip in the middle, move the playhead to the exact point where you want the split, then use the split tool. After that, you can delete the unwanted part or move sections around to improve the flow of your video. This is one of the most important parts of editing because it helps tighten your content and make it look more polished. After that, you can start adding creative elements like text, music, effects, transitions, or filters. At the top toolbar, CapCut gives you quick access to all of these tools. If you want to add captions or a title, click the text option and choose the style you like. If you want background music or sound effects, go to the audio section and add your chosen track. You can also apply effects to make your video more dynamic, add transitions between clips for smoother scene changes, and use filters to change the overall look and feel of your footage. Take your time here, because these small touches can make a huge difference in the final result. As you're editing, make sure to preview your video in the player window. This lets you watch your changes in real time and check if everything looks and sounds right. Previewing is important because it helps you catch mistakes before exporting, like awkward cuts, timing issues, or audio that's too loud or too quiet. If something doesn't feel right, just go back to the timeline and adjust it until it looks clean. When your video is finished and you're happy with the edit, it's time to export it. Click the Export button, then choose your resolution and frame rate based on where you plan to upload the video. For example, if you're posting to YouTube, you'll usually want a high resolution and a smooth frame rate. Once you've selected the settings you want, click Export again to render your final video. CapCut will process everything and save your finished file to your computer. And that's it. Now you know how to edit in CapCut on computer from start to finish. You learned how to open a new project, import media, use the timeline, trim and split clips, add effects and text, preview your work, and export the final video. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.